Good day, good people. Welcome to another episode on Keep Can Do. This morning I woke up for work, running late, like usual. You know, usually when you're running late, everything goes wrong. So I get out to the truck, no start, no click, no nothing. I'm like, oh my God. But found that the battery was dead. Had a little jump box, was able to use that, got it together. It was great. Um, but I think I might have messed up. Yesterday, while I was pressure washing the front porch, I decided to, you can't really see it from down here, but you can kind of see, you see the old oil and the nice shiny aluminum. So I felt like I power washed that to get all the old oil off, but I think I may have hit a wire, one of that wire harness down there or something like that, because this truck has started every day, all the time, no issues. So what I'm getting ready to do right now is get up under it, take this skid plate off, and then make sure I didn't knock any wires loose or anything. So that's what I'm working on today. I like to think I'm a fairly organized person, so I keep all my tools and things in a little case in the back of my truck. I'm gonna grab my bits there. This is a Christmas gift, one of my favorite ones. I use it all the time. Let me go grab the impact driver from the garage and then get to removing that skid plate. All right, I got everything I need. Got my new real deal impact driver, Harbor Freight, Christmas gift. I think I bought that years ago with a set that came with jack stands and a jack. So let's get to work. All right, so these bolts right here, it's a 15 millimeter. Perfect. And I know some people might say something about me using a regular drill bit, not a regular socket, and not an impact bit, but this is just holding something up. It's not gonna be that tight, so. Oh, that was great. I gotta do this more often. Looks like I can't get to that one. I'm gonna have to get my new wrenches that I bought. So let's go get those. Also bought a set of those Icon Flex ratcheting wrenches when they had it on the garage sale. So let's see how this goes. We'll keep up with the quality on this. Light. It's really light. Aluminum. All right, let's see. I got a oil leak. Let's see this connector here. Everything is. All right. There's a connector here. That's crispy. Here, come check this out. So I see where the oil is coming from. I believe that is to my oil cooler. Yes, it is. All the way down to here. I'm sorry, I'm upside down. Let's see. Yeah, I don't really see anything else. A few wires, but everything's covered up for the most part. It's a little brittle. I spent all those years on the Texas highways, but I think we should be okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to replace that line. Definitely. Okay. So yeah, that's what I was trying to pressure wash. Get the old oil off of it, make it look good under there. See the buildup. Definitely got to figure out if there's a block off plate. I'm sure it is, because I think that oil cooler is only for the PPVs. But find a block off plate for the oil cooler, and I won't even have to worry about taking the lines out. All right, let's see. Let's hear her purr. Oh, where's the keys? In my pocket.
Power on. Connected.
That's because I got the wheels. I got windshield wiper fluid in the trunk I can put in right now. This open, all good. No check engine light. Battery's good, oil pressure's good, temperature's good. Let's go listen to my baby purr. Got an exhaust leak over here. Need a flashlight on cylinder number 8. That's the one. But for almost 185,000 miles, she purrs like a kitten. Oop. I did not put that back this morning. All right. Gotta buy some safety glasses. Every pair I get, my son uses them for a Nerf gun battle, and then I never get them back. all done for today. I'm not gonna do anything, just looking at it. I see what I gotta do. Time to go do some research, find that part to block off the oil cooler, and then get to installing. Peace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to please like, subscribe, and comment if you feel so obliged.